Hi, Chef Jimmy here. Today I'm going to show you a slow-cooked Norwegian trout with a chili bean sauce that's fitting for Chinese New Year. And now we have the fish into the oven. So we will start a bit of oil in the pan. And we will basically sweat the ginger, the onion and the garlic first. So once I get the aromatic smell that's coming out, I am going to add the chili bean. And give it a quick fry to release the oil from the beans before I add my chopped tomatoes in. And at this point, what I will do is add a bit of water to form the gravy for the sauce. So allow that to boil up and let the tomato release its flavor. So at this point, what I'll do, I'll season the sauce. All I need here is just sugar to contrast the saltiness of the chili bean sauce, and a little bit of pepper, and allow it to simmer a little bit more. So once I get my tomato now ready, I'm going to add some nice sliced chili in there, give it more color and taste. And I'm going to end this with a bit of chopped spring onion, just to give a bit of contrast to the whole dish. So have that mixed well. And there you go. So once 40 minutes later, I've got my fish ready. And so what I'm going to do now is have the sauce onto the plate first. So I'm putting the sauce first because I do not want to hide the beautiful cooked trout. This method of cooking, it actually helps to preserve the amount of protein and oil loss from the fish. So the slow method of cooking with the 50 degrees Celsius is to prevent the oil and the protein from being overcooked. So you get a beautiful, moist and juicy piece of trout. So once I get a plate, I'm going to remove this fish off the baking pan, right onto the plate. And I'm going to finish it with a bit of garnish. And there you go, you have a nice slow cooked Norwegian trout with a nice chili bean tomato sauce.